World Population Day, 11th July 2020. Human population expected to hit 8.5 billion in coming 10 years as per United Nations estimations. The United Nations Population Fund report states that world population of 2020 said that more than 4 million girls are likely to be subjected to female genital mutilations. Around 12 million girls may be forced into marriage this year. Rapid population has become a huge concern globally over the last 3 decades. According to United Nations report, the world population reached to first 1 billion in hundreds of thousands of years in the world. But in just another 200 years or so, it grew sevenfold. The population touches the 7 billion mark in 2011 and currently it stands at 7.7 billion in 2020. If this trend continues, the numbers are expected to grow around 8.5 billion in 2030, 9.7 billion in 2050 and 10.9 billion in 2100. With rising population, issues like gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights become increasingly important. Likewise, the stress humans cause on the environment, not only due to unsustainable growth and development practices, but also simply by existing, from climate change to deforestation to the declining groundwater table in many areas and potable water supply, there are all problems related to overpopulation of humans. And raise of awareness against these issues, World Population Day is observed on 11th July of each year. The world marked this day for the first time in 1989 and this year it is commemorating 31st Population Day. The global population on 11th July 1987 stood at 5 billion, so the United Nations commemorated that day as 5 billion Day. 2 years later, then the Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme decided to observe World Population Day to draw attention towards populations issues. World Population Day 2020 theme is, every year themes are chosen to highlight different issues on World Population Day. This year in 2020, theme for the day is how to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now. The United Nations Population Fund has urged population to pay attention to the needs and weaknesses of women and girls during the global pandemic. It says that world needs to focus on efforts needed to secure their health and human rights. Thank you very much for watching full video and please subscribe to the upcoming World TV for more informative videos.